Hi, I'm Mark with John Butler Heating. I'm the indoor air quality consultant over here. Today I just wanted to talk about kind of how you get the process started and what you should be looking for as you move forward, wanting to improve the indoor air quality in your home. So the first thing that you want to do is, air seal and insulate the home. This is going to make the home tighter. When you make the home tighter, it's a lot easier to control, what's going inside of it. The next step is, wanting to do what's called source control. Source control is taking the pollutants out, at the source, making sure you have, your exhaust vent range hood is venting, to the outside properly, and also making sure, your bath fans are, operable and venting as much moisture as they should. We want to get this stuff out of the space as quickly as possible. The next step is making sure you have adequate filtration inside your home. We would like to see it at bare minimum, a MERV 11, which will capture a decent amount of particles. MERV 13 and up would definitely be better. So we want to make sure you have, adequate filtration installed. And another thing that a lot of people don't look at is making sure that the air in your home gets filtered enough, which is called, air changes per hour. We're exchanging that air inside the home, turning it over and filtering it at least, 4 to 6 times, per hour to make sure we're grabbing and filtering out all those particles. A couple other things you want to make sure you're looking at is, humidity control, such as, a steam humidifier or a fan-powered humidifier or a bypass. Humidity control is absolutely crucial. Making sure you have adequate, respiratory health, and it also keeps, stuff like dust mites and other pollutants, at bay. Another thing that we want to look at inside the home is ventilation. A lot of times people assume that since they don't smell anything inside the home, that their air quality is okay, when in fact it's not. There's a lot more to it than smells and odors. We can come in and actually test the air and see if you need, proper ventilation or, add, additional filtration or whatever the case may be to make sure that the indoor air is coming in, fresh and free of pollutants. And that's another tip today with Mark. Make sure you come back next week and we'll go over some more things. Thank you.